Today I'm going to show you how to get live lever data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From. Then we'll go next to Connected Sources and select Add. And here in the search bar, type in Lever, select Connect, select Authorize, review the requested permissions and click Accept. Once authorized, you can begin your first import by selecting Start from Scratch, and this will open the Import Preview. And here's where you'll select what data you want to import into your spreadsheet. And with this connector, you can import many different objects, interviews, offers, panels, referrals, resumes, and so much more. So to get started, I'm going to show you how to import a list of opportunities. You'll select Preview. Here you can select all the fields available, or you can decide to curate the import exactly how you want it and select what is more meaningful for your use case. So I'm going to add ID, I'm going to take out sources and add tags, and I'll add last advanced app. You can also go over here to the drop-down to order the columns exactly how you'd like to have them refresh in your sheet. And once you're happy with your import, you can select to import. And now that your data is in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly cadence so that your data always stays up to date. Now that you know how to get started, you can begin pulling in your lever data and track metrics to help optimize your hiring process. We hope you try it out for yourself, and thanks for watching.